Welcome everyone to Old Town Newhall, a place where history comes alive. Here, Victorian buildings line the quaint main street, each a testament to a bygone era, yet bustling with life. Old Town Newhall, a vibrant neighborhood with a rich history and a thriving present. Now join Connor as he takes you on a walking tour of this charming neighborhood. As we stroll along Main Street, we're greeted by an array of local businesses, each with their unique charm. From the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from the bakery to the eclectic art displayed in the galleries, there's a story behind every storefront. Picture this: 100 years ago, horse-drawn carriages were trotting along these very streets, and that's just a taste of what Old Town Newhall has to offer. But that's not all. Old Town Newhall also hides some unexpected gems. Uncover the allure of the William S. Hart Mansion, the Newhall Ranch, or even a local petting zoo. Bask in the vibrant energy of a bustling farmer's market or lively outdoor concert. There's always something happening here in Old Town Newhall. So, if you're intrigued by what you've seen, consider this an open invitation. Reach out to Connor for more insights, or take a day to explore and immerse yourself in the allure of Old Town Newhall. Find your dream home in the heart of history. Contact Connor today, or better yet, experience the unique charm of Old Town Newhall for yourself.